Manufacturing is changing. Factories today are becoming more intelligent, more connected, and more autonomous than ever before. Artificial intelligence is predicting equipment failures before they happen. Data analytics is uncovering opportunities to improve productivity and efficiency. Automation systems are connecting machines, people, and processes in real time. And as factories become smarter, cybersecurity has become more critical than ever. At Ngee Polytechnic, in collaboration with A-Star, we are preparing professionals for this transformation through our Specialist Diploma in Smart Manufacturing programs. Combining Ngee Polytechnic's expertise in workforce development with A-Star's research and industry innovation capabilities, these programs are designed to equip professionals with future-ready skills for Industry 4.0. Whether your interest lies in artificial intelligence and analytics, or secure automation, or cybersecurity, you will gain practical knowledge that can be applied directly to modern manufacturing environments. The Specialist Diplomas in Smart Manufacturing, or SDSMs, are a family of part-time stackable programs offered by Ngee Polytechnic's School of Engineering. The suite comprises 3 focus areas: secure automation, cyber AI resilience, AI and analytics. You can build your specialist diploma in a particular focus area by combining the relevant post-diploma certificates, so your learning journey can match your role, experience, and career goals. Through our collaboration with A-Star SimTech, you will be exposed to how AI can be used to improve quality inspection, predictive maintenance, and production performance. This course provides you with strong and practical foundation in automation, industry IoT-enabled operations, industrial AI, and cybersecurity. Our stackable learning model allows you the flexibility to pace yourself. You do not have to complete everything at one go. You can take modules across NP and A-Star SimTech and progressively build towards a specialist diploma. This program is very much application-driven, where you can expect to work with real manufacturing scenarios and analyze operational data to support decision-making, apply AI for intelligent inspection, predictive maintenance, and production optimization, complete capstone projects that relate learning to workplace applications. Most importantly, you will gain a clearer understanding of how data, AI, and automation come together in a smart factory and apply these ideas meaningfully in your own roles. This diploma helps set you up to grow and move forward. So, if you are looking to build future-ready skills in smart manufacturing, this is the next step for you. Applications are now open. Make the move, start your journey with Specialist Diploma in Smart Manufacturing program today.